Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove repost on TikTok. The first step is to find the reposted video, which can be challenging since there's no way to see all your reposted videos on TikTok. If you didn't save it in your favorites, look in your watch history or use the search feature to find it. Then, follow this video. Select the video you want to unrepost so that it starts playing. Then, tap share, the right arrow on the right side. And now, tap remove repost. You should see a confirmation message at the top of the screen or at the bottom of the screen. Note, you can only delete reposted videos using the TikTok app. There's no option to undo repost when watching TikTok in a web browser. Video you repost are more likely to appear in your followers' feeds. So, when you undo a repost on TikTok, the video will no longer be in their feeds unless they stumble upon it organically. Deleting a repost doesn't delete the original video. Only your repost is removed. You won't see how many likes and comments your repost get. But the original video will retain your followers' likes and comments. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for another videos.